everyone, how are you doing? Thank you for visiting my channel today. My name is Hayley if you're new here, and today we're taking a look at Lookfantastic, the box April edition. So I'll just open it up and we'll see what's inside. So here's what it looks like inside. It comes with the usual advertising leaflets with offers on them. Don't want any of that, do we? We want to look at the good stuff. So here's how it's looking in there. So what should we take first? I think I'll take this little spray here. So this says IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleanser with a spray top, 110ml deluxe size, and this is worth £8. And it says, break out of the habit of not cleansing your brushes with this easy to use antibacterial spray designed to capture lingering makeup. I'm going to see if it has a smell. Don't know why. Shall I spray it? Yeah, there is a slight smell. So yeah, I'll be interested in trying that out. Let's see what that's like, how it compares to my MAC one. So this is £8. I can't remember. I think my MAC one was about the same price, and I swear the bottle is bigger. So I might stick to the MAC one. I don't know. Right, what's next in here? Let's see. Oh, so this is the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream, 30ml deluxe size, worth £10, featuring a sumptuous blend of botanicals and notes of jasmine and ylang ylang. This award-winning formula nourishes and softens the skin. I keep thinking I've got some of... Oh, it opens, it's a flip top. That's nice. I was trying to screw it. Good job I didn't break it. I had one of these before, and I don't know if I opened it. I think it came in a calendar, and it does have a nice smell. So yeah, that is very nourishing. I think that would be good for the winter though, because it feels like, I don't know, it's like a bit of a greasy feel still on my hands. Maybe it will dry down. So I'm glad that we've got that out first actually, and I can see how it feels after a little while, can't I? What have we got next? What's this? So this is the Spectrum A05 blusher brush, full size, worth over £8. Another item that's £8. With this expertly designed brush, you can blend your blush seamlessly. Use the soft angle of the bristles to contour and colour the cheeks. So here's what that looks like. And I've never had a Spectrum brush. Oh, it is very nice and soft. That is so nice. Ooh. I might have a new blush brush. I'll be using that one from now on instead of the Inica one probably. See how I get on with that. What's next? Oh, a little perfume sample. I've had samples of this before, or is it a new one? Oh no, it's a new one. So this is Alien, which I have smelt before, but this one's called Extra Intense. And I do like Alien. So I'm going to open it and have a smell, shall we? So this one says extraordinary intensity, a fiery jasmine, a vanilla accord, and an extreme cashmeran, floral, woody, eau de parfum intense. So it says move on from the classic Alien fragrance. This scent features a higher intensity with notes of green mandarin and pear. Discover something new. Okay. Oh, that is nice. Let's put it on my wrist. And I'll see what that smells like in a little while. I'm not very good at describing smells, but it does smell nice. Has it got like a powdery? It reminds me of something, like a much older perfume that I've smelt years ago. There's something about it. I don't know what it reminds me of. There's a perfume that reminds me of. But yeah, I like it. I'll have a sniff in a little while when it's dried down a bit more though. Then what have we got? What's this one here? new, is that hair? Super thick density building scalp serum. With its patented probiotic technology, this serum works to create an environment where hair can grow thicker, fuller and longer. And this is worth £15. You'd never guess it looking at that, would you? Apply to scalp, gently massage to help stimulate circulation. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash hair as usual. So you put it in your hair before you wash it. Oh, I can smell. That does smell really nice. Let's have a look at what it looks like on my hand. So it comes out white, sort of a see-throughy white colour. It's very slippy, definitely serum-like. I love the smell of it. It's like a bit, is it minty? Like menthol. Yeah, it does smell really nice. So that will feel invigorating on the scalp, I should think. Be quite stimulating. So you put that on before you shampoo it and then wash it out. Not really my kind of thing, but it's there. I'll try it. Then I've got this. This is Peter Thomas Roth. And this is a 14ml deluxe size, and it's called Water Drench Mask. A 72-hour hydration hero, this mask is formulated with 20% hyaluronic acid complex to drench your complexion even after it's been rinsed off. Just take the seal off, and I'm going to put it over here because I don't want to put it on this hand because I'm looking at that after for the hand cream. So it's like a blue, see-through blue colour. And I can't really smell anything. But is that because I've got this perfume on? It's like I've got perfume on. I can only smell that perfume now, and it does smell really good, that perfume. So yeah, that's a hydrating mask from Peter Thomas Roth. And then the last thing in here is we've got a L'Occitane shower oil, 35ml, and this is a deluxe size worth £4. And it says, featuring their best-selling formula, this transforms from a silky golden oil to a velvety milk-like lava upon contact with water. This is the almond one. I've had an almond oil from L'Occitane before, and I absolutely adored it. It was an oil for your body that you keep on, not one of these wash-off ones. Oh man, it was good. It was really good. I'd buy it all the time, I would. But it's expensive. I can't smell it much. I can smell it slightly. I think it's because I've got all this perfume on, but I'm really looking forward to trying that. So, but I really like the one that you keep on your body. It's so nice. It's like a thick oil. It's quite thick on you and nourishing feeling, and it just smells divine, absolutely divine. So I don't know what that's like, but I look forward to finding out. So that was all the goodies from the box. I really enjoyed opening it, and I look forward to using these products. So I'm really looking forward to that. And let's see the hand thing. There's the hand cream. It's all dried down now, and it does feel nice. It's not like too greasy or anything like that, the dry down. It looks nice. And the perfume, I'm loving it, but I'm trying to think, what does it remind me of? It's got like a powdery thing to it. I don't know how to explain it. So that was all the items. I really enjoyed opening this box. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.